A problem is a chance for you to do your best. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that you want. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Next to trying and winning, the best thing is trying and failing. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Hustle beats talent when talent doesn't hustle. I will love the light for it shows me the way, yet I will endure the darkness for it shows me the stars. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Just as despair can come to one only from other human beings, hope, too, can be given to one only by other human beings.